ప్రేమ స్వరూపులారా,
three, after we finished our Gram Seva, Swami said, you must talk about the Gram Seva in the cycle one thought. And he made a team of 6 people, and he said, you must talk in conversational form. Now that was difficult for me. Why? Because we have to remember the exact closing sentence of the previous person and then speak exactly the same sentence. You must end in the same way, then he must start. Even one day before the actual performance, I forgot my lines. Everybody was tensed, including our Vice Chancellor, because we were having the rehearsals in Purnachandra. And everybody thought, if Deepak forgets his lines tomorrow, it's gone. Swami will be very unhappy with all of us. So post dinner, our hostel is very close to the Hillview Stadium, where we have a 65 feet Lord Hanuman. And I told Hanuman, Hanuman ji, ये सिर्फ मेरी इज्जत का सवाल नहीं है, आपके साई राम जी की भी इज्जत का सवाल है. आपको मेरी मदद तो करनी ही पड़ेगी, पर अगर आप मेरी मदद करते हैं, अगर मेरा कल प्रोग्राम में मैं लाइंस नहीं भूलता हूं अपनी, तो मेरा आपसे वादा रहा कि अगले 1 हफ्ते तक रोज हनुमान के ऊपर मैं आके प्रदक्षिणा करूंगा. ये मेरा वादा रहा. I will come every day to the hill, top of the hill, and do circumambulation for the next 1 week's time. Next day, our program went off very well. Swami was extremely happy. He gave us group photograph. He kept his hand on our heads one by one also. 7 days were over. The next day, I started doing my circumambulation. 7 दिन बीत गए. 7th day, after I finished my circumambulation, I was looking towards Swami's residence and thinking, Swami, you manage the entire universe. You create, sustain, and destroy universes. This small mortal who has done his prayers here, I'm sure you will not even be aware of it. It's too insignificant for you to be even aware of. And I don't know where my prayers have gone. They have gone to Kailasha, Brahmaloka, or Narayan Loka, Vaikuntha, or they have gone to this idol of Hanuman. This Hanuman is actually made of cement and steel. Actually, maybe it is in some other plane of existence. Swami, leave it all. क्या फर्क पड़ता है? I had promised I will come for 7 days. I came for 7 days. मामला खत्म हुआ. डेबिट क्रेडिट बैलेंस हो गया हमारा अकाउंट्स. अभी मुझे और कुछ गिल्टी फीलिंग नहीं है कि मैंने नहीं किया. कर दिया. So 7 days I have come and done and followed my promise. I said, चलो चलते हैं. It was getting late for the college. That time college used to be at 8:30 in the morning. It's already 8 o'clock. Still in my track suits. I started coming down. The police jeep sirens which used to follow Swami's car wherever he would go out of the mandir, I heard that particular siren that very moment. There's some devotee who was not well, was in super hospital. Swami was daily going to have a look and bless him and see him, maybe see him off. I thought maybe Swami is going to the hospital as regular. So I came a little more down. Then I saw that Swami is entering the Hillview Stadium. ठीक है, स्वामी कई बार शांति वेदिका का एक राउंड लाके चले जाते हैं, वापस आ रहे होंगे, मुझे इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है. I still kept coming down. When I reached somewhere where Lord Shiva statue is there in the Hillview Stadium, at that time I saw Swami is coming up the hill. And I have nowhere to escape now. There's only one path to go up and down. And I said, Abhi to phase. Swami will look at me in this tracksuit at this time, past 8 o'clock, and with nobody else around here, Swami will surely ask me, kya kar raha hai yahan pe? What are you doing? No college for you or what? And that when you're especially Swami speaking to you on a regular basis, you're very scared of going out of form. So I hid myself. There's a stone there. So I hid myself behind the stone, hoping Swami will not look at me. Swami's car came. Indulal Shahji was along with Swami in the car. The car stopped. Swami's window went down. Swami was looking so serious. My heart missed a beat. And Swami with his finger called me here like this. मैंने कहा आज तो गया. आज तो झाड़ पड़नी है. Swami called me. इधर क्या करता है? In times of crisis, truth comes out. He says, Swami, हनुमान को प्रदक्षिणा करने के लिए आया था. In a very apologetic tone. Suddenly, Swami's contours changed and became very happy and said, very, very, very happy. And the window pane went up. From there itself, Swami turned the car back and went back to the mandir. And I was surprised. Having come up to Lord Shiva half the way, Swami actually could have gone up to Hanuman and then come back. But from that point itself, Swami turned the car and went back. I said, okay, anyway, Swami's will. What is me to lose? Now I'm getting late for college. Let me go, get ready and go. Evening, he called 3 of us research scholars with the Vice Chancellor, talking to the Vice Chancellor for some time. In the middle of a conversation, looked towards me and said, hey, Deepak, तेरे को हनुमान पसंद है क्या? Do you like Hanuman? हाँ पसंद है स्वामी. इधर आ, इधर आ. He waved his hand and materialized the chain with a pendant of the exact replica of Hanuman on the hilltop. He called me close. I put my elbows on his knees. I bent forward, my hair touching his chest. And then Swami started locking up that, the chain behind my back and whispered into my ears, "Hey, nee prayers vachindira. Hey, your prayers reached me." I really wish those moments would never end. I really wish those moments will never end. Who is Bhagwan Baba? What is his nature? What is our relationship with him? What does he expect from us? Let us never forget that. What he can grant us, nobody else can ever do that. He is the one and only. Sometimes Swami will shake our faiths. Sometimes Swami will show us glimpses of a path which is not the direct path to him. Our karmic balances will take us on the wrongward path. But they also lead to him only, but in a roundabout way. You may take another few lakhs and thousands and millions of years. For him, his time is eternity. It doesn't matter for him. Even if you take 1,000,000 attempts to pass his examination, he'll still be patient and say, "Theek hai, take your time." But it is up to us to be able to have that one-pointed, single-minded devotion to him and say, "Swami, only you. I'm going to see only you. I'm only going to follow the path that you have shown to me." And then he will grant. If we ask for whatever we may ask for, he will grant.